Want to get more value from your Amex beyond just points? If you're not taking advantage of Amex's shopping benefits, you're missing out. Today, we're using the Shop Small and Amex offers to save and earn more. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. Amex runs special programs to encourage spending at small businesses and online partners, often offering statement credits or bonus points. For Shop Small, look for the map. Amex's Shop Small program typically runs at certain times of the year. You can find a map of participating small businesses in the Amex app or website. Spend at these locations with your enrolled card to receive a statement credit, e.g., $5 back on a $10 plus purchase. For online shopping, use the Amex portal. The Shop Amex or Amex Offers portal often has bonus points offers for shopping at specific online retailers. Always check the portal before making an online purchase to see if you can earn extra points. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: enroll your card for Shop Small early. When the Shop Small campaign is active, you usually need to manually enroll your card to activate the offer. Do this as soon as you see the announcement to ensure you don't miss out on any credits. So, just like that, you can support small businesses while rewarding yourself. Using these targeted benefits goes a long way in maximizing the value of every dollar you spend. Now I'm curious, what's your favorite small business you've discovered through the Shop Small program? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.